In the heart of Pakistan lies Kotla Jam, a small town in the Pakar district of Punjab. Nestled between a mighty river and a vast desert, Kotla Jam offers a unique blend of natural beauty. Here, life unfolds at a gentler pace, guided by the sun and the seasons. The town sits at a fascinating crossroads of environments. To one side, a mighty river brings life and sustenance. To the other, a vast desert stretches out, sculpted by the wind. This unique setting makes Kotla Jam a place of surprising diversity. It is a haven for creatures and plants adapted to these contrasting worlds. Kotla Jam is more than just a location, it is an experience. It invites us to look closer, to listen more carefully, and to appreciate the subtle wonders that often go unnoticed. Our journey into Kotla Jam will explore its stunning natural features. We will discover the creatures that call this place home. We will learn about its climate and when it is best to visit. We will also touch upon its history and the vibrant culture of its people. So let us begin our adventure into the heart of Kotla Jam, an oasis of tranquility and natural splendor. Kotla Jam owes its unique character to two dominant natural features, the Indus River and the Thal Desert. The Indus River, one of Asia's great rivers, flows with immense power, carving its way through the land. Near Kotla Jam, the river's presence is palpable, bringing fertile silt and nourishing the lands. This water source is the lifeblood for agriculture and local ecosystems. In stark contrast stands the Thal Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes. The wind constantly reshapes the dunes, creating an ever-changing panorama. The Thal is a world of its own, with a unique atmosphere of solitude and immensity. The interplay between the Indus and the Thal defines Kotla Jam's environment. It is a place born from this dramatic juxtaposition. This duality has shaped the physical landscape and the way of life for the people and wildlife. Imagine standing at a point where you can see the green, lush banks of the Indus. Then, turning around, you face the golden rolling dunes of the Thal. This land of contrasts is not just visually stunning, it is ecologically vital. It supports a surprising array of life forms that have learned to navigate these diverse conditions. The unique geography of Kotla Jam supports a fascinating array of plant life. Along the fertile banks of the Indus River, dense riverine forests thrive. Species like acacia and tamarisk provide shade and shelter. As one moves towards the Thal Desert, hardy desert plants dominate. These include resilient shrubs, tough grasses, and succulents. The animal life of Kotla Jam is equally diverse. The riverine areas are a haven for numerous bird species. Small mammals like mongooses and rodents inhabit these fertile zones. In the Thal Desert, reptiles such as lizards and snakes are well suited to the sandy terrain. This ecological diversity is a direct result of the contrasting environments. The transitional zones host a unique mix of species from both environments. The resilience of life here showcases nature's incredible ability to adapt and flourish. The natural beauty of Kotla Jam is precious but fragile. Habitat degradation is a primary concern as human populations grow. Water scarcity is another significant issue, particularly for the Indus River ecosystem. Reduced water flow can impact the riverine forests and wetlands. In the Thal Desert, water is already scarce and further reduction can have severe consequences. Pollution from agricultural runoff and improper waste disposal can contaminate water bodies and soil. Overgrazing by livestock can degrade vegetation cover, leading to soil erosion. Addressing these conservation challenges requires a concerted effort. It involves raising awareness among local communities and implementing sustainable practices. Protecting Kotla Jam's unique environment is about ensuring the long-term well-being of the people and the diverse life forms. The future of this natural gem rests in our collective hands. Kotla Jam experiences a semi-arid climate, typical of its location in the Punjab plains. Summers are particularly hot and long, with temperatures soaring from April to September. Monsoon rains can bring some relief between July and August. Winters from November to February are generally mild and pleasant. The clear skies during winter provide excellent opportunities for stargazing. Considering these climatic conditions, the optimal time for visiting Kotla Jam is during the cooler months. This period, from October to March, offers the most comfortable weather for travel and exploration. The natural landscapes can be enjoyed to their fullest during these months. The light is softer, perfect for photography. Pack layers of clothing to adapt to changing temperatures throughout the day. Staying hydrated is important, even when it doesn't feel excessively hot. By visiting during milder seasons, travelers can fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty and cultural experiences of Kotla Jam. Kotla Jam offers a wealth of natural attractions for outdoor enthusiasts. The banks of the Indus River are a primary draw, perfect for peaceful contemplation or a family picnic. Bird watching along the Indus is particularly rewarding. The Thal Desert presents unique experiences with rolling sand dunes sculpted by the wind. A camel safari offers a traditional perspective of desert travel. The silence and solitude of the desert can be profound. Sunsets over the dunes are often spectacular, painting the sky with vibrant colors. For photography enthusiasts, the landscapes of Kotla Jam provide endless inspiration. Engaging with these natural attractions should always be done responsibly. Respect the environment, avoid leaving litter, and minimize disturbance to wildlife. Local guides can enhance the experience by sharing their knowledge of the area. Kotla Jam's natural attractions offer a chance to rejuvenate the spirit and appreciate the beauty and power of the Earth's diverse landscapes. Kotla Jam is steeped in history, part of a larger narrative of the Indus Valley and the Thal Desert regions. The local culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from Punjabi and Saraiki traditions. The people have a deep connection to their land, reflected in their folklore, music and poetry. Hospitality is a cornerstone of the local culture. Visitors are often greeted with warmth and generosity. Local traditions play an important role in daily lives and special occasions. Religious festivals are celebrated with devotion and enthusiasm. Traditional crafts, though not widely commercialized, reflect skills passed down through generations. The resilience of the people is a testament to their ability to adapt to a challenging environment. Understanding this historical context and cultural richness allows visitors to appreciate Kotla Jam as a community with a deep and meaningful heritage. It encourages respectful and insightful interaction with the local population. Kotla Jam is not just a place of natural beauty, but a community with a rich cultural identity. The agricultural importance of Kotla Jam is central to understanding its local life. The fertile lands support the cultivation of various crops, shaping the community's values and connection to the earth. The local cuisine is simple, hearty, and reflective of the produce available in the region. Wheat is a staple, with flatbreads like roti and naan common in meals. Lentils, seasonal vegetables, and yogurt-based dishes are everyday fare. Meat, such as chicken or mutton, is enjoyed on special occasions. Experiencing the local food is essential to understanding the culture. Local festivals and family events feature traditional music and sometimes dance. The true culture resides in everyday interactions and the communal spirit. Exploring local markets offers insights into daily life and local craftsmanship. The pace of life in Kotla Jam is generally unhurried, allowing for a more authentic experience. It is in these simple moments that the true essence of local life is revealed. Reaching Kotla Jam requires some planning, as it is not a major urban centre. The town is located in the Bazaars district of Punjab and is primarily accessible by road. Nearby larger towns or cities serve as transportation hubs. Local buses, vans or private hire vehicles can be used to reach Kotla Jam. Accommodation options are likely to be modest, with guest houses or small local inns available. Research and book accommodation in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Be mindful of local customs and traditions, dressing modestly and learning basic phrases in Urdu or Saraiki. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in warmer weather or the desert. Pack essentials such as sun protection, comfortable walking shoes, and personal medications. Mobile phone connectivity and internet access might be limited in some areas. Embrace the slower pace of life and be open to unexpected experiences. The beauty of visiting Kotla Jam lies in its authenticity and the opportunity to connect with nature and a different way of life. Our journey through Kotla Jam has revealed a place of remarkable contrasts and quiet charm. It is a corner of Pakistan where the Indus River meets the Thal Desert. This unique geographical setting has fostered a rich biodiversity. From the lush riverbanks to the silent rolling dunes, Kotla Jam offers a profound connection with the natural world. Beyond its natural wonders, Kotla Jam is home to a vibrant culture and a resilient community. Experiencing the local cuisine, witnessing agricultural practices, and engaging with the community offer insights into a world that moves at a different pace. Exploring Kotla Jam is an invitation to step off the beaten path. It encourages respectful, responsible, and rewarding tourism. By appreciating its natural offerings and engaging thoughtfully with its cultural heritage, visitors can contribute to the preservation of this special place. The memories created here are of subtle moments: the call of a bird, the warmth of the sun on sand, the taste of fresh roti, the smile of a local elder. Kotla Jam, this hidden gem of Pakistan, leaves a lasting impression on those who take the time to discover it. Its quiet dignity and natural splendor are an open invitation to all who seek a truly enriching travel experience.